Do you want to know how to turn off or on screensaver on Fire Stick? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: how to turn off or on screensaver on Fire Stick. Open settings from the home screen. Navigate to display and sounds. From the menu, select screensaver. This option personalizes your screensaver, change albums, display order, slide style, and the slide speed. When you select the option, you get into the screensaver settings menu. If you want to turn off the screensaver, then select start time and choose never. This should completely turn it off. After this step, the screensaver should be disabled. Your Amazon app should save these changes automatically and will never go into sleep mode until re-enabled manually in your settings. From the menu, you will get the option to control the slide speed, slide style, etc. From slide style, you can choose to pan and zoom or dissolve. You can also select screensaver from the current screensaver option if you want to set one for your screen. You can choose from daily memories or Amazon collection or from your photos album. Once you have selected a screensaver image, you can go to Start and select the time for the screensaver. Next, you can go to Date and Clock and turn it on. Next, you have Alexa Hints. Here you will also get an option to shuffle the photos and so on. And there you have it, the way to turn off or on screensaver on Fire Stick. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this method. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.